Not only men, but animal also feel sad when there is rain. They say scientifically that body does not create serotonin and people becomes lazy, and lazy people don't want to make any activity. Resultantly, they become lazy and they feel sad. For example, in a sunny day, when the activity is there, the people move, they work, they feel active, and resultantly they don't feel sad at all. Similarly, the animal also feels sad when there is a rain. During the rain, before the rain, or after the rain. You can see these birds, they look lazy, and the reason is the same. Birds feel sad like that of men. Rain is about to start. Once again, all the day there has been raining, and the rainfall has made these birds, these ducks, properly lazy. While we are talking about the sadness amid animals like that of men, there could be another reason that they feel sad and they feel lazy. You can listen at the moment the white voice. The white voice helps sleeping, reduce anxiety, depression, and this white voice can be listened while there is raining. Rainfall, a continuous rainfall, creates white voice. When we see the animals, as the moment, as you can see also this moment, the voice of the running of the water also create a very musical voice. This voice is similarly like that of the white voice of the raining. Have you observed that we can sleep calmly when there is raining outside? Apart from white voice, there are red voice. There is also black voice. But these voices create a different impression, and these voices create a different impact on the human being, on the animals, and most probably on the plants. The good thing of the birds is that they live accordingly the rules of the nature. Man, when reacts and goes against the rules and the principle of nature, cannot be happy, cannot be healthy. It is afternoon time at the moment. And while we say that birds follow the rules of the nature, you see the birds have come out of the water and they're getting dressed. It is definitely because the time of getting rest. To live happy and healthy, man perhaps will have to return to follow the rules of the nature. And definitely following the rules of nature and to live accordingly, man becomes happier and healthy.